What's the meaning of code of practice? Code of practice. Code of practice.
Code of practice. Code of practice. A code of practice is a set of guidelines and regulations that dictate how people in a certain industry or profession should behave. The code outlines the standards expected of individuals, including ethical considerations, professional obligations and responsibilities, as well as best practices. It provides a framework for governing conduct and serves as a reference point when dealing with issues concerning professional ethics or behavior. Following a code of practice helps ensure that individuals act in the best interests of their clients, colleagues, and the wider community.